If you are wondering if POCO X8 Pro Max supports reverse charging, then the answer is partially yes. So you can use a USB cable and you can connect your POCO X8 Pro Max to another device in order to start charging it. But unfortunately, wireless power sharing option is not supported. So if you wish to have reverse wireless charging, unfortunately in this case you will not be able to find it. So how can we actually charge with the USB cable? It is pretty simple. You just connect your POCO X8 Pro Max to another device with that USB cable. This can be another smartphone, this can be a Bluetooth device, whatever can be charged via USB cord. And there we go, then we should be able to start charging immediately. Here we have the reverse charging option, and now I'm charging this other phone over here. However, there is a chance that your POCO X8 Pro Max is going to be charged instead of charging. So if that is the case, especially if you connect two smartphones together, you need to open notifications and you want to find charging this device via USB. It looks the same on both phones because this is POCO X8 Pro, so it looks exactly the same. And then over here we just have to choose reverse charging, so then we switch it around and you should be able to start charging if it didn't charge. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.